jukebox gonna make you dance and clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands. Come on in, we got a song to sing ya. Archie's Funhouse.
Welcome to Archie's Funhouse. Featuring the giant jukebox. It's time for the Funhouse County Fair.
Hurry, step right up and let me guess your weight. If I miss, you win a doll. Let's see you guess my weight. Let's see, 150, right?
Step this way to see the talking dog. Hey, hot dog, tell the folks what sandpaper feels like. Right. Now tell us what's on top of the house. Correct. And now, who is the greatest baseball player of all time?
Ruth.
Right, Babe Ruth. How about that one, folks?
Gee, maybe it was Willie Mays.
And now, the high spot of the Riverdale Fair. High in the sky, more than 200 feet in the air, Madcap Reggie Mantle will ride his motorcycle across a cable the entire length of the fairgrounds and let her rip, Reg! Sorry, gang, but we're out of time for Reggie's ride. But here's a gal we always have time for, Big Ethel.
This never misses the jumbo hamburger in the snow trick. Oh, he's just about to take a bite. Here I go, Geronimo! Another surefire way to get your man is the old telephone pole domino theory trick. By pushing pole A into pole B, I set up a chain reaction, knocking over cage C and trapping my hamburger-loving dreamboat. Oh, the moment of truth draws near. Now to start the countdown. 10, 9, 8.
I like lots of pepper on my burger.
Thunderbolt Theater with quick, drippy gags.
If Mr. Weatherbee doesn't take back what he said to me, I'll leave school.
What'd he say?
Leave school.
Say you love me. Say it. Say it.
Okay, it.
Before we start, I charge $20 for tennis lessons.
What a racket.
Stay with us, Reggie. We want to be alone.
Hey, Moose, what's black and white and red all over?
Let me see. A sunburned zebra?
Daddy has a date with Archie, but she's keeping it a secret.
Oh, how do you know?
She's telling everybody.
How do you spell octagon?
Wrong.
I just got a job at the Eagle Laundry.
That's pretty dumb. Who'd want to wash an eagle?
Call me a dirty bird.
Well, one thing's for sure.
What's that?
With these grades, you couldn't have been cheating.
You know what you get when you cross a dog with a hen?
And now what?
A poached egg.
Time's nearly up. How far are you from the correct answers?
About 2 seats.
That moose sure has funny material in his clothes.
I'd like a pair of alligator shoes.
Yes, ma'am. What size is your alligator?
You know, everybody calls me Wonder Boy.
Yeah, they look at you and boy, do they wonder.
Doctor, I just swallowed a ballpoint pen. What'll I do?
Use a pencil.
Now, let's join Miss Grundy and Mr. Weatherbee in a friendly discussion of nature photography.
It is not.
It is so.
Don't tell me how to take a picture.
I just happen to be an expert on these things.
I know a lot more about photography than you.
Hi there!
Oh, hello there, boys and girls. You're just in time to see me win the Riverdale Birdwatchers Photography Contest.
That'll be the day.
Oh, look!
Ooh, a button-bellied seersucker.
Well, it looks like we both got the bird that time, eh, Miss Grundy? Ah, now to light-foot it up the tree. Ah, perfect. Hold it.
Oh, just what I wanted. A picture of a fat-faced photo flubber. Old featherbrain Weatherbee never would have thought of a ruse like this. Tweety, tweety, tweety. Tweety, tweety, tweety. Tweet.
Thanks to your interference, Miss Grundy, neither of us got a good picture.
Don't blame me. You don't know your light meter from your aperture.
Hold it, folks. We kids have a prize for both of you.
Because you're so good at flashing pictures of each other, we hereby present you with this trophy. Oh, thank you, but what is it?
The Flash in the Pan Award!
And now, here's that good sport himself, Coach Cleats.
Yes, Coach Cleats here with a big world of sports. Now today we're off to Fuel Pump Flats for the National Dragster Time Trials. I'm about to shatter all existing records for drag racing in my specially built, modified, downdraft, side-mounted, underslung, overhead, blow-by special. And there's the flag, and away I go. Moving right along, we go next to the dense jungles of the Amazon, where I'm hacking out a log canoe in which I will ride 1,000 miles of the treacherous rapids down this danger-infested river. Now, the thing that chews up your canoe quickest is the rocky river bottom. And then, of course, there are the crocodiles. Oh, I see we're out of time, or I'd show you how to wrestle that beast.
And now, here's the star of our show, the giant jukebox.
Ethel, there's only 2 things wrong with your piano playing.
What's that?
Your hands.
I play the blotter.
The blotter?
Yes, it's very obscure.
Elvis Parsley.
Oh, Reggie, why couldn't the pony sing?
Because he was a little hoarse.
Oh, that was supposed to be my line.
Mr. Weatherbee, can you carry a tune?
Why, certainly.
Well, carry the one you're playing out of here.
Hey, Jug, let's go get some sunshine.
Nope, if I can't eat it, I can't dig it.
There's other things in life besides food, you know.
Like what?
Like this new giant jukebox hit called Sunshine.
Hey, little girl, stand right there. Sun is shining in your hair. Hey, little girl, don't you move. Hey, my heart and I approve. Whoa, 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 you're my sunshine. Don't you know I love you? Love you. Shine your love on me. Shine your sunshine. By the stars above you, I love you, truly love you. I just want to tell you that you're super fine. Whoa, whoa. I do believe it's you that makes the sun to shine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, little girl, let it show. Want the whole wide world to know. Let it show so they can see just how easy love can be. Yeah. Whoa, 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 you're my sunshine. You're my sunshine. I love you, girl, I love you. Shine your love on me. Ooh, you're my sunshine. You're my sunshine, girl. Ooh, you're my sunshine. And I love you. Oh, you're my sunshine. Shine, 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 shine. You're my sunshine. Shine, 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 shine. Love you. Shine your love on me. Sunshine. By the stars above you. I love you. Truly love you. Sunshine.
What has 4 legs, weighs half a ton, and sings?
I know. 2 500-pound canary.
That was supposed to be my line.
I always wanted to be a violinist in the worst way. Well,
You sure made it! Hey, Betty, and what goes la 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 plop?
What?
Somebody's singing his head off.
Dear Diary, today was a great day. Archie asked me out and I bought a new dress. And best of all, I heard a great new giant jukebox song called Comes the Sun.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun. I feel it breaking right out loud. Here comes the sun, here comes the fun. I feel it waking up the clouds. Kick off your shoes, singing to the trees. Oh, kick off your shoes, forget the blues. Come on, everyone, listen to the sun. Oh, la 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 la, let it shine, let it shine. La 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 la, let it shine, let it shine. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. La 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 la, let it shine, let it shine. La 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 la, let it shine, let it shine. Kick off your shoes, everything's new. Listen to the breeze, singing to the trees. Kick off your shoes, forget the blues. Come on, everyone, listen to the sun.
Hey, Ethel, I was gonna buy you a new trombone, but I didn't.
Ooh, how come?
I forgot the size of your mouth. Oh.
It's a thrill to hear you play, Mr. Weatherbee.
Thank you.
May I be the first to shake you by the throat?
You notice how my voice fills the hall, Arch?
Yeah, a lot of people are leaving to make room for it. Well, Jug, today our hit tune is about a bee.
No kidding. Well, I'll be.
So will I.
Here it is, the giant jukebox hit, Honey.
Honey, honey, oh honey, doo-doo. First time that I saw you, girl, I knew that I adored you, girl. You're so sweet and you're so kind. I've just got to make you mine, oh honey. Guess you know it, don't I show it? I'm in love with you. Oh honey, let's go walking, do some talking. I'm in love with you. Do you want to know the truth? I'm so much in love with you. You're what I've been dreaming of. You're the only one I love. Oh honey, guess you know it, don't I show it? I'm in love with you. Love with you, oh honey. Let's go walking, do some talking. I'm in love with you. Oh honey, guess you know it, don't I show it? I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Oh honey, let's go walking, let's do some talking. I'm in love with you. Oh honey, guess you know
Come on in, we got a song to sing now. In Archie's Funhouse. Come on in, we got a joke to tell ya. In Archie's Funhouse. We got jokes, we got songs. Come on, folks, sing along. Well, come on in, we got a story to tell ya. In Archie's Funhouse. Come on in. We got Archie's giant jukebox, gonna make you dance and clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands. Archie's Funhouse.